Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a DIY lamp. I will be making a lamp or a diya using orange and some coffee grounds. So if you want to know, please continue watching. For making this orange lamp, I am using orange. Orange has its own flavor or own aroma, and the peel also can hold shape of a lamp when you cut open. Therefore, orange is an ideal fruit which can be used to make lamp as good as a lemon. So, to add to the aroma, I'm using coffee grounds which I have already mixed with camphor and cinnamon. If you don't have coffee grounds, you can purchase from the market. And to add to the aroma, again I have used leftover chamomile flowers. These are the flowers which I had used in my earlier projects or earlier DIYs, but this is almost used up and it is ready to be disposed. But I am using this in this diya. So these are something which you can use, which are disposable items, but still you can make use of all these. This is the orange peel which I had dried, and this is not crisp, but it can it can be ground into powder and used in this lamp. So the orange peels also will have the aroma; it will not lose because of the oils present in that. So next would be cloves. These are all optional ingredients which you would want, or you can also discard or skip these ingredients. To mix all these, I am using orange oil. Again, this is a DIY orange oil which I had made earlier. That also have a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description box. And to add extra fragrance, I'm using a citronella essential oil, few drops, and this is the camphor which you can use now while grinding. If you I had already used in my coffee grounds, that is why I'm not mixing it now. So to light up the lamp, you have a small candles which you would usually get uh, during birthday parties, or even you can use a cotton roll dipped in oil. So the method is simple. All you need is to grind all the grounds, and I have added the orange peel, the flowers. The flowers are I'm using chamomile. You can use rose petals also, and the coffee grounds, which is added with the camphor and a little bit of cinnamon. So grind all this, and if you find any thick leftovers, you can remove it. Put it in a plate and add some oil to mix it up. This is the orange oil what I'm using. You can also use coconut oil or any castor oil for the purpose of folding the powder. Next is this citronella essential oil. If you don't have this, you can use any essential oil which has that strong fragrance, which can emit fragrance. So citronella would be best, as good as the orange smell. Even you can also use mint essential oil. So mix all this and mix until you feel that it can hold shape. If it's still powdery, add some oil. So once this is done, the stuffing for the lamp is ready. So take the orange, cut open into half. I have used half of the orange. Um, Remove the pulp. Use one portion of this orange. The first half of the orange is what I'm taking because it is easy to remove the pulp. So little bit of oil I smeared inside the lamp, and then I'm going to stuff all the coffee grounds mixed with aromatic ingredients. So mix everything up. Then I'm placing the cloves. This is an optional ingredient or an optional fragrance which you would have want to add. Then stick in the candle. If it is too long, cut it into half, and then place it in the center, and you can lit the lamp. So this DIY lamp is ready, which can emit glow and soothing calmness into the area where you place this. It can also spread the fragrance of orange and coffee. It will really calm your senses, elevates the mood, and also the nature of this lamp is such that even when you have a look at the lamp, you feel the um, calmness in your mind and body. So once even if the lamp puts off, the fumes which are coming out of this is very relaxing. So place it in a corner or on a candle stand or even in a holder and enjoy the fragrance. So if you like this DIY, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know more such DIYs, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.